Welcome back to Technologia 2050. If you've ever used ChatGPT, you've probably seen it give answers that sound confident, but turn out to be completely wrong. This is called AI hallucination, when the model makes up facts, names, or even sources. But what if there was a way to stop it? Today, we reveal the secrets behind AI hallucinations, and the prompt techniques experts are using to make ChatGPT far more reliable. Hallucinations happen when AI fills gaps in knowledge with guesses. Instead of saying, "I don't know," it invents an answer. This makes AI powerful, but also risky when accuracy is essential, in medicine, law, or finance. Word ChatGPT is a language prediction machine. It predicts the most likely next based on patterns in its training data. Sometimes this prediction creates answers that sound correct but aren't rooted in real information. The problem isn't just being wrong, it's being wrong with confidence. AI often presents hallucinations in a professional, factual tone, making it difficult for users to separate truth from fiction. Completely eliminating hallucinations may be impossible, but researchers have discovered that better prompts, clear, structured instructions, dramatically reduce hallucination rates. One powerful method is to force ChatGPT into what experts call truth mode. By telling it, if you don't know the answer, say, "I don't know." Do not invent details. This simple instruction helps the AI resist the urge to fabricate. Another trick is the verification prompt. Give me your answer, then provide sources or explain why you are confident in this response. This forces the AI to self-check before presenting an answer. When asked to solve complex problems, hallucinations often appear. But if you prompt, explain your reasoning step by step before giving a final answer. The AI tends to be more cautious, logical, and fact-based. A clever method is asking ChatGPT to generate multiple possible answers and then compare them. This internal debate reduces errors and exposes weak points in its reasoning. Even the best prompts don't guarantee perfection. Experts say the safest approach is human-in-the-loop verification, always double-checking AI outputs, especially in critical fields like law, medicine, and journalism. Researchers are building next-generation AI models designed to cite verifiable sources in real time. Musk's xAI, OpenAI's future releases, and Google DeepMind are all racing to solve hallucinations. The ultimate goal, an AI that only speaks when it knows. ChatGPT hallucinations may sound like a flaw, but with the right prompts, we can turn AI into a far more reliable partner. The key is not to blindly trust, but to guide and verify. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the future of AI explained, only on Technologia 2050. Remember, the future of truth may depend on how we talk to machines.